In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to earn more diamond, how to perform your tasks on the Meyo app. In case you are new and you don't know, Meyo is another platform that rewards its users by doing 1 or 2 tasks, and I'm going to practically show you how to do those tasks today. So, and if you want to learn how to sign up, the link will be in the description, and I've done a video that gives you detailed explanation on that. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You're welcome to the practical aspect. So once you have already signed up, the first task is for logging in already. If you click on this sign in, you get extra diamond. So you click and receive it. And then the next thing is watching ad. You can watch advert and earn diamond. So when you click go to see, you see at the top, it will just show you that you should watch for 3 seconds. Once you have done that, you can click the X up so that you watch another one. You can even go to your tax center to even do more tax. Like the next tax is watch a live stream, so I'll just come to watch this beautiful lady. For coming to watch her, I will get extra diamond. So I'm going to also click to receive 0.1 diamond. But not only that, so after I've done that, if I receive it, it will ask me to watch an ad. So if I click to go to watch, okay, it's going to open again, and then this one is the company that is advertising. All you just put your attention on is to watch until the second has elapsed. Like some, they will ask you to watch for 5 seconds, some 10 seconds, some even 15 seconds. So you will click and it tell you congratulations. Don't worry, later I'll show you where you will see all the diamonds that you've been receiving. Okay, so yes, it's asking me to watch another ad, and I watch, and then I'll click to continue. So the more you click to continue, the more they give you ad, the more you are going to watch it. As you can see, this is right, you know, Gala now, the other one, right, they are the one advertising here. So this side, I really like it because I've seen apps that I have used or company that I've used, I've seen their ads being advertised here. Okay, so you just click and watch. This one study in UK, so you just watch and see how many seconds it elapsed. Okay, and then you click, and congratulations, that's what you need to do to get coins through watching advert. That's to get more diamond. So, and once you have done that, it will be exhausted, because when you see that it's not showing you go to watch again, that means you have exhausted, most especially if you are on the free version, which I am right now. So if you want to get more ads and to do more tasks, you need to like go and subscribe to the monthly pass. Okay, so the next thing, I'll come to my me again and follow. Like this one now said, the next task for me to get extra diamond is for me to join a party and gift. So I'll just come to a party or panel and then click on the gift icon and select who I want to gift. You can decide to gift everybody, you can decide to just gift one person. So you click on the all and select one particular person. I just used to do randomly. So when I click the person, I'll now click on the gift again to send. Okay, so as you can see, it's already showing me congratulations, I've gifted this person, and that means I've done that particular task, and I'll get an extra diamond for doing that. So when I come here, it says gift a party. Again, I will come back and join another party and then do the same thing I just did. I'll now select one particular person. I'll just come to the gift icon and then click the particular gift I want to gift. When I click on it, you now click, if you want to send to all again, you do the same thing. If it's an individual, you select and you do that. So as many gifts that I've given you, you can always come to your home page, click on me. When you click on me, you will see the tax. Okay, when you see the tax, you follow the instruction and do what is needful for you to get the tax. So for you to see another tax, you are going to go back. You're going to just this little arrow, that's what you click, that will bring you back. And when you see the voice is still talking, you just exit. Okay, so the next one is saying gift a family. So I will click and come to family. Guys, will you come join my family? Please go and join my family. Okay, and gift my family. My family is Ijapari gang. If you go search for me, okay, so you can just click any family. Am I being selfish? My God. So click any family and then come and gift the person in that family. So this app is actually friendly to me. It's even more understandable compared to Popo, but I love Popo. So at this point, I discovered that even screen recording is not allowed, that you cannot screen record. I wanted to screen record other things to show you, but I discovered that screen recording is not allowed. So the app is so sophisticated that it will not even allow you to screen record. At this point, when I now discover that it's not going to allow me to screen record so many of the other tags, so I decided, okay, let me show you guys other things. So you can click on tag center and click on reward. But meanwhile, there's chat opposite gender. Actually, this chat opposite gender, I am not doing that. As a married woman, I decided to stay away from that. Okay, so you can click on reward center to see the reward, all the tax that you've been doing. You will see how much is coming in. If you refer someone, when you click on the reward center, you are going to see everything that you have done and what you are earning is. Okay, in the next video I'm also going to show you how to withdraw. All right, but aside from that, there's other things you can do to earn more. This monthly tax, okay, you can actually click on this monthly packs and subscribe to do higher tax, to do more tax. I've seen people that are making more by subscription. Okay, so if you have subscribed, you are going to do higher tax. If you do not subscribe, your tax are limited, so it's up to you. And the monthly pass, if you are in Nigeria, I think should be around 2,000 plus naira, and that's like less than, like, let me say like $3, okay, to subscribe for the monthly pass, so that you'll be able to be getting more tax. Okay, so and again I want to show you guys something. Oh, I discovered again I cannot screen record. So that means with this app there are things that I cannot really screen record, but I'll look into recording it with my other phone. Let me see how that is going to work. So please, if you have more questions, you can ask. And then if you want to also see details, they will be sending you message, customer care message. Okay, when you click on the message, they will also again show you detail of your earning. It's going to be like what is it called, like a statement. Okay, you can click on it whenever they send you message, customer center or customer care. Click and open, you will see everything is transparent. Okay, if you want me to do a practical video on how to withdraw, let me know in the comment section as well. You can drop a comment and say how to withdraw on the Meyo app, so that I can quickly do the video. And once the video is up, I am going to come and reply to you in the comment section with that video. The higher you ask question, the better for me, so that I can come and reply to you with a video or make detailed video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.